Good morning. This was a very nice place for the night, and it was raining in the night. I woke up, but today in the morning everything was dry. Even the tent, inside, outside, everything is dry, which is perfect. And this wind exposed place here has got another advantage. There are no flies. Not one. Really a dream which will end in 500 meters. Something like that. Yeah, and next to that, Julian will be very happy if you are leaving now because he's in death fear since an hour because there are hunters around. It's shooting every some minutes and it's terrible, and he's shaking, and he really feels bad, and so that's why we will leave now in direction Ferrara. This house you can buy, there's a sign, and it would be perfect. There's some land around it. It's new, the roof is good. I think you can immediately move in and you have got your peace and you are alone. That would be the perfect spot for me. At this point I will leave now the bike road along the River Po and crossing this little village Francolino, and from there we hike to Ferrara, which are another 12 kilometers. I ask myself what happens if you are 80 years old and you have got weak legs. Can you still use this kind of toilets?